Hey, hello awesome people, welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I'm stuck with this little journey. 6 days of thunderstorms are ahead. Should I go ahead, plant them now? So I got a little bit of cabbage, a little bit of lettuce, because cabbage is strong. This cabbage already been outside numerous times before the big freeze, but I think these will last. I don't know. I made some compost, and I want to get them in the ground, but I'm afraid the strong winds will blow them over and break them off. I don't know. You're telling me they will do it. We're gonna get a thunderstorm tonight, sunny tomorrow, and 5 days of thunderstorms. So I don't know if I should hold off and get them in the ground and not worry about it. So yeah, corn is gonna wait for sure, and the tomatoes. I suppose if I had propped up the peppers, they would be okay. But you let me know, since I'm still an amateur. What should I do?